guys, welcome to channel Myra. How are you all? So today I'm gonna show you how to make an origami fish. Okay, let's start. Now you can take any origami paper. It's okay if it's plain paper also fine. And if you don't have an origami paper, square paper, then you take the rectangle paper and then fold here as neatly as you can and cut it. Okay. Now first gold color side, so I'm going to fold it across the red. That to crease it as pointy as you can. Okay. Now turn it the opposite way and then fold it again. It's very simple origami fish. So okay. Now the third one is you turn other side. Fourth, you must fold like this. Okay. Now here, and then now I'm going to fold it one more side. Now what I need to do is I need to do it like this. See, first do it like this. Okay, and I do it like this. Now as I have four sides, I'm going to do it like this, and I'm going to make it a triangle. Can you all see? Yes. So it should be like this. Okay. Okay. It must be a pop-up. It's very easy if you do that. Okay. Now let's make the last step, the tail. So make the tail here at the middle, and take this one and make it here. And we are finished. But we need to draw the eye. My eye will be so big. Okay, it's okay. You must take a nice neat mark. Okay, so a color, and then this is my fish.